I'm back, and I'm back here to tell y'all all about this wonderful lipstick here, this velvet stuff. Let me tell you, y'all, if you're looking for a lipstick that's gonna make you look good, you might not want to buy this, okay? I'm gonna show you. We're gonna put this here on, and what? It's maybe if you hold your lips like this till it dries, it might be okay, but it smears. Okay, y'all, I'm signing out now. And remember, this velvet here stuff might not be something you want. If you want to look good, don't buy it. If you want to look like a clown, get you some. It smears, and it look at me. That's why I had to put this hat on to enhance my beauty. See y'all later.